Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a look at this pre-owned 2026 Chevrolet Trailblazer RS. This Trailblazer is featured in a sterling gray metallic paint finish and has a jet black with red accented interior. Inside the vehicle we have leather seats with an 8-way power driver seat and heated front seats. We also have lane keep assist, our adaptive cruise, a wireless charging pad, dual pane panoramic sunroof, alloy wheels, as well as rear park assist and a powered liftgate. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have a chrome door handle, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, and rear window lockout. Power liftgate is also on the door, and we have some storage with a Bose speaker. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have an air vent, as well as lighting controls and hood release. 8-way power driver seat, and our seat itself finished in jet black leather with our RS trim, which is red. Getting into the vehicle, we can see we have 10,272 kilometers, full digital display for the driver, adaptive cruise, heated steering wheel, and forward collision alert on the left-hand side. Black badging, as well as our leather-wrapped steering wheel with red accents. Hands-free is all on the right. Push to start is also behind the steering wheel on the right-hand side. In the center, we have our infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as Sirius XM, AM, and FM radio. If we put the vehicle in reverse, we have our backup camera with our adaptive guidelines. Cruise, or our hazard lights are below, 2 vents, and then all of our controls for volume and power. Below that, we have climate controls, and then we have a 12-volt plug, USB-C, USB-A, and wireless charger. Some buttons in front of our shifter, auto stop, our lane keep assist, traction control, track mode, as well as all-wheel drive. RS finished shifter with red accents, electronic parking brake, 2 cup holders, and we can also see our key. Locks at the top, remote start, powered liftgate, as well as alarm functions. Some additional storage in front of our center console, which has a tray on the top that we can reveal deep storage. Passenger seat, also with our RS trim, jet black and heated. Moving above the rear view mirror, we have all of the controls for our OnStar, lighting controls, as well as power moonroof and power sunshade settings. Then lastly, we have our moonroof that goes from the front to the back of the vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, LED headlamps and fog lamps, 19-inch alloy wheels with our Chevrolet center caps, black mirrors, our keyless entry front door handle paint match, as well as black roof racks. All the way around at the back of the vehicle, we have our Dark Essentials badging with our black Trailblazer, all-wheel drive, and bow tie, and then our RS in our red. Dual exhausts and some carbon fiber near the bottom. Opening up the bottom, we have our powered liftgate. Can access that through the front of the vehicle, the key, or the back. In the back, we have storage on either side, and then if we lift up, we have an additional tire. Then lastly, to close the back, we have power release on the left-hand side or manual release on the right. Moving into the back of the vehicle, chrome door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our Bose speaker. In the back of the driver and passenger seat, we have some storage, 110 volt, USB-C, USB-A, and storage in the bottom of the center console. Second row seats are a 60/40 folding split, finished in our jet black with red accented leather. Center console with our 2 cup holders that folds up and down. Then lastly, to fold these seats, we have releases on either side, and it folds in a 60/40 folding split. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2026 Chevrolet Trailblazer. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.